You, all about you. Is she all about you, all about you? Like I'm all about you, all about you. Who is this girl you talk to when I'm not around? Do you hang out with her when I am not in town? Why do I feel like you're telling all these lies? Cause when I asked you, you couldn't even look me in my eyes. Oh no, you claim that you real if you don't go. Why is she calling me, telling me you telling her the same things? I thought we had something, cause we got nothing. No, no, no.
Hey everybody. Okay, so this is 2 videos in one day that I filmed. I just did the New Year's Eve look and that was popping, and then I was kind of in a bad mood. I was supposed to be going to sleep because I'm supposed to be driving to New Orleans tomorrow, but you know, shit happens. I don't think we're gonna end up leaving, and if we do, it's gonna be later. But yeah, so I was feeling kind of down and overwhelmed because I still have Christmas shopping to do, and you know, I just gotta breathe and let it go. So I was just like, you know, I'm gonna play in makeup. I got on live, and you know, literally, y'all are the best. Instagram did this look. Instagram picked out the colors. They told me what to do. Well, I kind of suggested the first color, but you know, they helped me with what transition color I'm gonna do, what liner I'm gonna do, what this and that, and y'all are the best. So I guess I'll call this video Instagram chooses my makeup. I don't know. I'm gonna think about that, but it's gonna be something, you know. And I appreciate y'all so much. I love y'all, my babies. I never do my makeup on live, and now it makes me want to do my makeup on live. It is now 1:30 in the morning. Can y'all see that? It's 1:30 and I'm up playing the makeup and recording YouTube video. But you know what? Y'all on my ass, and I'm gonna make sure that I get content up on my channel, and I'm not gonna be playing with y'all anymore. Like, I promise I'm gonna be so consistent. So, you know, just bear with me, y'all. But yeah, please, before you start watching the video and seeing how I caught this slay action, I need y'all to click that box. I don't know if it's which side it's on, but click it and subscribe, and please don't forget to like it, because that gives me motivation. That makes me feel like y'all like my videos and y'all like me. So like it and subscribe and turn on those post notifications, because sometimes I just make my videos go live before I tell Instagram. So yeah, subscribe, and I love you all so much. Enjoy watching this video and how I got this slay look. Well, let me zoom in right quick. Let me zoom in, because I don't think y'all understand. Y'all see this? Do y'all see this? You know, don't mind the lace. You know, ignore that because it's old. But yes, she is cute. She is pepping, okay? So just keep watching for this look and to see how I did it. Okay? Love you. So I'm gonna prime my face. Really, I'm moisturizing it. It's like a moisturizing primer, but it makes a good base. I just like to massage that in my skin. Okay, on my live too, y'all, so I'm multitasking. Okay, so I don't know what I'm about to do. Let me think. No, I'm not going anywhere, y'all. I'm just literally playing in makeup. Literally. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to put this blue color in. I'm not pretty sure what the name of it is, but I'm just gonna to have that. We're gonna do something fun. Oh wait, I didn't prime my eyes. Hold on. So I'm going to go in with this blue green color from Juvia's Place. Just tap my brush all around it. Please let this come out right. This come out right. And I'm going to pat it in my eye. It's all over my lid. So the look I'm going for, I seen it on, was it Mitchell's page? I feel like I seen it on Mitchell's page. But it had like this light blue, a lighter blue than this. It was like a baby blue. And it was like one lid color, and then it was like deepened by a darker color, if that makes sense. Hopefully it makes sense on my eye, because it was really, really cute on the picture. Because this color, mixing it up to just darken my crease just a smidge. Swivel this around. I wish the blue that I have in here in this palette wasn't a shimmer. Zoom in on my face. Adding yellow on top of that. Just making it like a green, lime green color, which is cool. I'm not mad at it. We can just go along with it being the Grinch or a naughty look. I'm not gonna cut the lid. I am going to take, I got this brush from, it got sent to me in the box, but I'm gonna spray it with some setting spray. And let me see which side of this blue. Is that the Juvia's Place palette? And just press it on my lid. Yeah, I like the way that, ooh, that looks so pretty. Oh my God. Wait, sis, you ain't have to do it too like that. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna take my e.l.f. liner and my slanted brush, and I'm about to do a wing and set it with a blue shimmer for my liner. Yeah, so, you know. Alright, and now I'm gonna go in with my Tarte concealer. Oh, Kels, I miss you too, babe. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte concealer and just put like 2 dabs on each side. Okay, that was a little more than 2 dabs. Because a little goes a long way. Okay, I'm gonna get caught out here slipping. So I'm just gonna put that in. Okay, so now I'm going to contour. I use D50 and D80 from CoverGirl True Matte Blend foundation. Gotta come up with the name of it, y'all. Oh, say hey to my live. Live, say hey to my YouTube channel. Wait. So I'm gonna mix my Sacha Buttercup. And my RCMA again to set underneath my eyes. I'm just pressing that in. I don't think I'm gonna bake too much after this, y'all. So I'm gonna set the perimeter of my face with my dark powder from MAC. A mineralized skin finish. And just pat that all over the place. I cannot believe somebody said they see my lace front. Duh, girl, it's not my scalp. It's fake. It's a lace. It's never gonna look like a scalp. It's an illusion. Now I'm gonna take my Morphe M536 brush and I'm gonna dab inside of my medium dark and my dark powder. I'm gonna swish around like this and just dip around my dark and just kind of like press this in. I don't really want to brush it away because then my whole face ends up being a little ashy and we don't want that. So I'm just kind of like pressing this into the skin. Like so. Dark deepest powder. MAC. And just defining my cheeks. Okay, so I smoked out underneath my eyes using the same color transition as I used at the top. So now I'm gonna set my face with my setting spray. So now I'm gonna highlight using my favorite combo. My black Radiance highlighter and my MAC highlighter. I like using both of these. at the same time. So I'm gonna use that espresso liner from NYX. And this is Madeline by NYX Butter Gloss. She's cute. She's really cute at 1 o'clock in the morning with nowhere to go. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Thank you all for staying with me. And thank you so much to my Instagram live babies. Like, y'all really stuck it through with me. Helped me pick out these colors for the soleil. I'm a little out of focus right now, but that's okay. That's okay. But make sure you all like this video and subscribe. I will be having another video coming up soon. Maybe something like a vlog or something. I don't know. But thank you so much for watching to the end. And yeah, I love you all so much. Mwah.